Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so the first counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So for this part, we'll be looking to the front, okay? And we'll wait for the first 2 seconds. So it's 1, 2, and on 3, we will step outside looking to the left. So with our left hand, we push to the left and our leg goes out too. So like we go to the left, so we lean front like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we do 4, we take our hand, we put it in on OK sign, joining our thumb and our index finger together with the right hand, and we go boom, like a whistle. Okay, so we go boom, lean back again. So from here, like we hit the left and we go back like this and push the whistle to the right. Okay, so the whistle now goes to the right. We just have to stretch our right hand. The position is like this. We have to bend our knee. Okay, so our hips are looking like this. And from the whistle going here, leaning back, we push outside to the right side, stretched out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 7, we spin our hand. So just turn it like this, round. So 7, shake. Okay, just shake your body like this, and you look down. So your body is just bend down. Your hands are on top of your thighs, and head goes totally down. Okay, so let's read from the beginning. We go, stay in your place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay, so the next 8 counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, we'll go slowly, okay? So from here, we ended up here, head down, we raise our body. So our hands are together. You touch your hands together and you raise them up. And your leg steps outside. So your right leg is stretched out outside, okay? So you just from down, you raise up, okay? Legs together, hands down, step. Then you go, So for this part, the left hand, you just touch your right arm, okay? And you just moving your arm from left to right until you fully look to the right side. So it's up, this, down, touch your arm, and when you're here, you go down. So your face, you just brush your face like this. So your left hand is just all over your face, your head, and you go. So while you're doing this with your hand, you go down. So make sure that you really go down, because just not here, but here. Okay, well done. Let's repeat again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here 5, 6. From here, when we go up with our right index finger pointed out, we do this, okay, so next to our mouth. So raise up and your body goes boom. So with your left fist, you put it next to your left hip and you go down, up. So like this, down, up. You just have to flex your knees while doing so. Hip, so turn, turn. Okay, you go down, raise and shoe, down, up. we do 1. Okay, both our arms are together like this, and we go from down to the top, up. Right leg goes out, so we just, and then when they're together like this, you go, so you just cross your leg, cross, and then out, leg goes out. And while doing this, your hand goes, okay, so it's, let's repeat again, up, hands go, down, out like this, palms are up next to your chest, and then you close. When they're like this, when your leg is like this, you close. Again, last time, we go like this, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With our right hand, we kind of walk to the front. So we just have to turn our arm like this, just like a weird way. Just turn like this and place it on top. So your leg is out like this, and from here, walk, and you put the right arm on top of your left arm. So you walk, then you separate, and you go down. Okay, so from your legs being separated like this, legs are also separated, you join them together and you look down. Okay, all together, it's just, we ended up here, we walk, arms together, separate, and from here you go up like this. So your hands are just facing out, your palms are out like this. Your right arm is in front of your head, and your left arm is just in front of your chest. Here from the center, you just move outside like this. You just move them until they're outside, and while you do so, this leg goes up. So your left leg up like this. So we raise up, and it's your face. Like we from the beginning, this, walk, down, up, arms go full. After this, we go 1, 2. So your hands are into fist, and your chest is just moving round and round 2 times. So we move our chest round and then round again, but this time we bend our knees. So it's round and round. It goes 2. Okay, so for this part, we have to hide like this. So our hands are again on top of each other, and we look into the left, hang, and your face goes down. Like you just have to hide. So it's round, round, and hide. There you go. So for this part, you have to jump, or you have to switch your legs while you do so. So when you jump like this, first your right leg is in the air, and you step with your left leg. So you hide, your hands are going like this, okay, while you jump, looking to the left. So like this, right is up, and then you switch, left is up. Okay, looking to the left, hide, again, right is up, left is up, look to the left. Now, one more time all together, faster. You go, and you look to the back. Okay, now let's repeat again from this part, okay, from when we walked, and we go walk, join together, down, up, full, turn, turn, hide, and jump, face to the back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Back. So we just jumped and we face the back. I'm going to explain how this part is. So in the back it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this part, I'll explain it looking to the front, because mirrored is really difficult to see how I'm doing it. So you just have to do this but facing backwards, okay? So our hands are at the side of our waist, like this, not like this, but like this. And we move hip to the left, hip to the right. Okay, so we go hip to the left, hip to the right, hip to the left again, but now our hands are at the back of our head. Okay, to the left, hands up. Okay, and hip also goes to the right. So it's just moving our hips constantly, left, right, but our hands change. So first is 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5, we put our hands at the back again, but now we're looking, now our hips aren't doing anything, they're just, straight, and our legs separated, looking to the front. So it's tune, 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 straight. Okay? Now faster, because it's really fast. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Facing the back, it would look like bend, 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 straight. We have to turn until our hands are looking like this, as if we're carrying shopping bags. So from here, straight, we turn our hands here like this into fist. But while doing so, we have to move to the left, like this. Okay? And now we move like this. So when we just put our hands like this into fist, we have to step to the side, okay, to the right. This, move to the right. So we're like this, and we breathe from the back view. This, move to the right. Then you go boom, boom, boom. So when you're like this, you push. So right is stretched, then left is stretched, and then right is stretched. So this is faster. Like this. We turn, step, stretch, stretch, stretch. This leg goes up. The left leg goes up. From this part. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would look like, so our hands in this position, but this right hand goes like this through our head. So we just move it all over our head in a circle, okay? And we have to bend down, like bend our knees while doing so. And we just turn. This part is slow. So turn and go slow. Okay? So let me repeat everything. This part, okay? From where we turned, from the front view and then from the back view. So we go boom, boom. Hands up, straight, turn, walk, boom, 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 go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after this you just have to look back to the front. You raise your leg up, looking totally to the front. Now to finally finish this part, we're now fully looking to the front, and we go shake up. So from here, and we shake, shake, shake up. Our right arm is stretched outside. This hand is like this. So we're into fist and is on our chest. And we go up, and this leg also again goes up. So from here, we shake up. Then we go boom, boom. So from here, our hand is like this, palm down. Our right hand, and we look to the left first, and then we face the front. So be careful, this hand is at the back, so we face the left and then face the front. We move and our hands are like this, so this hand is open like this, touching our head, our forehead, and this left hand is at the back of our head, okay, like this, with our fingers just opened. So left, front, turn. So when you do this, you have to step again to the right as we did before, okay? So left, front, and there we go. So while this hand goes out, and at the back goes out too, it just goes. While we do that, our head goes up. So we raise our head up. Raise your head up and down again. Okay? Again, it's shake, up, left, front, head, up, down, turn, back. Okay, and from here, lastly we go turn and front. This, our hand, right hand is stretched outside looking to the left, and we just turn our entire body looking to the back, then to the front, and then look down. So faster, just turn your body down, up, legs are separated, stretch out, and with your whistle again, you put it besides next to your mouth like we did here before. You remember, we go like this and we move our hips, our legs. So when we just look down, up, and we go whistle. So for this part, we bend our knees and our hips go from left to right. Move them slowly. From this part, move up, left, front, head, up, down, turn, down, up, and whistle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3.